welcome back to AI Path in our MCP series. In this episode, we're covering 5 MCP servers that every developer should know about. These are the servers that will supercharge your AI workflow right out of the box. Server number 1, Filesystem. This is the most basic and arguably the most useful MCP server. It lets your AI read, write, and search files directly on your machine. Your AI can browse your entire project, find specific files, read their content, and even make changes. Think of it as giving your AI the ability to navigate your file system just like you do in your terminal. This is the foundation server. If you install only one, make it this one. Server number 2, GitHub. This one is a game changer for developer workflows. Connect your AI to GitHub and suddenly you can ask things like show me all open PRs or find where this function is defined across the repo. It gives your AI access to repositories, pull requests, issues, and full code search. You can review PRs, create issues, check CI status, and browse code all through natural conversation. If you work with GitHub daily, this server will save you hours. Server number 3, PostgreSQL and SQLite database servers. This is where things get really powerful. You can query your databases using plain natural language. Just say something like show me all users who signed up last week and the AI writes the SQL query, runs it against your database, and returns the results in a readable format. No more switching to a SQL client, no more writing queries by hand for quick lookups. Your AI becomes a natural language interface to your data. Server number 4, Brave Search. This gives your AI the power to search the internet. Without it, your AI only knows what's in its training data. With Brave Search, it can look up the latest documentation, current events, recent package versions, or any up-to-date information. It's especially great for research tasks. Ask your AI to research a topic and it will search the web, synthesize the results, and give you a summary. Real-time knowledge at your fingertips. Server number 5, Puppeteer, the browser automation server. This one lets your AI control a real web browser. It can navigate to pages, click buttons, fill out forms, and take screenshots. Perfect for automated testing, web scraping, or any task that needs browser interaction. Imagine telling your AI go to this website, fill in the form, and screenshot the confirmation page. It just does it. Browser automation, powered by natural language. And these are just 5 out of thousands. The MCP server registry on GitHub has over 10,000 community-built servers. They're organized into categories: developer tools, databases, productivity, cloud services, and more. Whatever tool or service you use, chances are someone has already built an MCP server for it. Just search the registry, install, and go. Let's recap. 5 MCP servers every developer should know. Filesystem for file access, GitHub for dev workflows, database servers for natural language queries, Brave Search for real-time web data, and Puppeteer for browser automation. In the next video, we'll go hands-on and build your very own custom MCP server from scratch. See you there.